We used the new Bathworks spray refinishing kit, which is the exact same formula as the original Bathworks refinishing kit that you saw me use in my own bathroom to refinish my colorful fiberglass shower. However, this new kit features a spray nozzle and a smooth brushless finish. We decided that the most economical option would be to refinish Hakima's tile floor as well. Bathworks can actually color match most Sherwin-Williams colors for their refinishing kits. The refinishing kits can be used on practically any bathroom fixture, including tile floor. Before I could refinish the floor though, Hakima and I had to go through the entire same process that we did for refinishing the tile and tub. Therefore, we cleaned, we cleaned a lot with Comet. We applied the Easy Etch cream and allowed that to sit. We used that waterproof 120 grit sandpaper to further roughen up the tile floor. We had to use a blow dryer, but we also used a heat gun to ensure that the tile and the grout were 100% dry before moving on to the next step. Now, refinishing a floor is not the same process as spraying or rolling on the product. First, I had to pour some directly onto the floor, and then using a squeegee, I had pushed the product over the floor by spreading the product out, filling in that space around and over the tile, and making sure that the product was thick enough to prevent any of the original light colored tile color from peeking through. We let that floor dry for at least 24 hours, preferably 48. Hakima walked barefoot on it for a few days or so after to ensure that it was fully cured.